Alright guys, so Samsung has released another A series 2020 line of smartphone. Yeah, it's the Samsung Galaxy A31. It's an improved version of the A30 and the A30s with a new quad camera setup on back like this year's Samsung flagship S20. So this new A31 priced at $205 at launch, and it may vary depending upon your country and region. So let's just quickly talk about the specs of this new bad boy. So you're getting a 6.4-inch 1080p Full HD Plus AMOLED display on front and a U-shaped 20 megapixel front camera with 20:9 aspect ratio screen. On rear, you got quad camera setup with 48 megapixel f2.0 main sensor, a ultra wide 8 megapixel f2.2, a 5 megapixel f2.4 depth sensor, and another 5 megapixel micro lens. So Samsung hasn't really mentioned the name of the processor which is being used on this A31, but they said it's a octa-core processor. But some reports have suggested that the phone might pack a MediaTek Helio P65. So the phone comes in two different options: 4 gigs of RAM with 64 gigs of internal storage, that's your standard variant, and another 6 gigs of RAM with 128 gigs of internal storage in case you want more. And yeah, it's a Samsung smartphone, so there will be a SD card slot up to 512 gigs, and that's pretty sick. So the A31 has 4 colors: Prism Crush, Black, Red, Blue and White, with 5000 mAh battery, which supports 15-watt fast charging with USB-C port. And yeah, the A31 has an in-display fingerprint sensor which supports the Samsung Pay, and it's only available in the countries where Samsung Pay is legal. So yeah, that was pretty much that you all guys need to know about the new Samsung Galaxy A31. Let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe my channel for more further and future updates, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.